Hey guys, it's Vince with Creative Rods. Just back in the shop after Christmas. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Let's see what's going on. We got several cars leaving today, going home. We've got the 67 ZL1 C10. Just got her out here cleaning her up for the customer. Very custom C10, which you guys have probably seen on the internet before. Won lots of awards. Check out the inside real quick. We did not initially build this truck, but we're working on it for the current owner. You got the Mustang is at the alignment shop. The Corvette was over here. It's going home after lunch. 1980 Corvette. Love the body lines on this one. We just did some mechanical work on the brakes. Fix a few leaks underneath for him. And he may end up putting a new motor and transmission in it later, but that's all we're doing for now. What are you doing? Nothing?
Walking in my box.
Oh, okay. Camaro. Josh tore it all apart.
Used to be a Camaro. Used to be.
And now Tyler's got to fix it.
Yeah. Yep. Basically.
We got some pictures on our social media of how not to attach a frame rail. Right?
Yeah. Fiberglass don't do it.
Fiberglass will not do it. So we're going to be rebuilding the whole back half of this Camaro. It's Tyler's new project. What kind of new project you got coming in this afternoon?
I heard wind of a 68 Dodge Charger coming in here.
Disc brake conversion. New plugs and wires and changed oil.
I believe I can handle that.
And the parts are here.
No big body Mopars. I love them things.
Then we got
a 70 Dodge Challenger.
That's coming in as soon as parts. He's been waiting on suspension parts for 3 months now, so hopefully 1st of January that'll be in here and we'll be convertible at that. Convertible. Yeah, nice car.
That red one?
Yeah.
I thought it was a hard top.
No, it's convertible. White.
That'd be nice. Why short?
Got the doors painted. Y'all saw last week, a couple weeks ago.
Hello.
Hello. She been 2K'd, you just wet sand her getting her ready for paint?
That's right.
Did you have a good Christmas?
I did. It was very, very busy. Very busy. It was almost at work.
Yeah. And the little one got his Xbox?
He did. He is
Santa.
at home playing it right now.
Santa brought him one?
Oh no, I brought that.
You're not going to give Santa credit for that, are you?
Actually, Chuck got it.
I got you.
Santa brought the cheaper stuff.
I hear you. So Packer's gonna be you'll be seeing some paint on it soon. All right, so Ty Yeller got the heat on in here. Did the Raptor liner spray on the inside fenders of the Scout. Looks really good. We'll be assembling that one soon. So let's head on back to the back shop. And ooh, hey, look what we got here.
I didn't think you was doing that.
I'm doing it, but it ain't coming out tomorrow.
Oh. You're getting prepared for
I'm
after the first.
What?
What you trying to take credit for for my Christmas present for? I wanted the brownie points, not you.
That little card I got said Big Block and Nate Dogg on it. From.
I was like, what the crap are you talking about? That was funny.
So
We
so
might-
I opened it up and I said, "Oh, I got a card from them," and the inside told the truth.
It was for me.
They were trying to latch on, wasn't they?
We were sitting there and he looked at me, I looked at him, and we was like, yeah. That's funny. I didn't know what you was talking, I totally forgot about that.
So Kristen got me a little present for Christmas, and had a card which was inside, and then Nate Dogg and Big Block on the outside put from Nate Dogg and Big Block trying to tag on.
You missed
Hey.
the cheesecake bites and everything.
I heard y'all had a lot of desserts going on up in here Monday.
I almost missed him too.
Yeah? Why?
And I was up there, all the festivities was happening down here. Man, that stuff stinks.
Did you have a good Christmas?
It was good. How about you?
The girls have a good one?
Oh yeah. Riley's kind of not feeling it,
She a little sick?
so she was ripping into the gifts, and she was, yay, you know. And the oldest one was, oh my God, going nuts. So.
Did you get you some shoes?
No,
No? Socks?
I got some socks. Matter of fact, that's a pair of them. They're not tall socks, but they're very comfy socks. Dickies, to be exact.
Yeah.
No, I got a little gift certificate to apply towards some shoes, so
Yeah.
might see a new pair floating around here
Hey,
soon.
what's that right there? He's hiding.
Is that Dale? Dale!
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 He's kind of like Elvis. He ain't dead. There's Dale Earnhardt. He got a spoiler on the back of his on the hat.
Dale's been working out, folks, since he's changed his career a little bit.
Yeah,
He's
he
been
owns a
working out.
he owns a CrossFit gym now, don't he? Did you have a good Christmas?
Okay.
Little boy have a good Christmas?
Oh yeah.
What'd he get?
What did he not get?
What'd he not get?
He got everything.
Huh?
You had a good Christmas?
Yeah.
You know, ready to get you know, those big old goggles that he wore because he wore those hats. We're gonna get you some of those.
We have to wait till summertime so when he rides his motorcycle he can wear those things.
I got
Dude,
some.
people might legit be like, "It's Dale."
Hey,
Take pictures. This picture start floating around the internet of you.
do you remember Ben's?
I got a Dale Earnhardt because my dude, he got all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna dress you up.
Hey, do you remember Ben's son that was at Myrtle Beach with us last year? Looked just like Aaron Kaufman. There were people coming by. Is that Aaron over there? I mean, it's spitting image of him, man.
Who's that? Another driver?
It was this driver's son. Yeah. Yeah.
He just didn't have the big full beard. If he would have had the big full beard with those glasses that he had on,
Well, he had a long beard, but it's not as long as Aaron's was.
Yeah.
But he looked close enough where there was more than one person that asked if that was Aaron Kaufman.
is that Aaron?
Mustache
Yeah.
ain't gonna make it.
Huh?
It ain't gonna make it summertime.
What ain't?
Mustache.
Oh, hey, what'd y'all get each other for Christmas?
Who?
Y'all two.
We can't share that.
Hmm.
We kind of that's like a disclosure.
You can't disclose that on camera?
No, we got an
Okay.
agreement we had between each other that we
Oh,
shouldn't
okay.
share that publicly.
Hmm.
So, but it was a really nice gift.
Same one you got last year?
No, didn't get that one last.
Oh. What are you working on today?
Scout.
Scout? You got more
Hinges.
liner? You got paint hinges?
Hinges and stuff next. I'm gonna wrap it one.
Yeah, I just came out of there. I put my finger in it, a little smudge, but
That should be dry.
all right, carry on. Hey, I got an idea. I got a good idea for you in case you run out of socks to wear, high ones. Is you could get some tattoos where you got socks on all the time.
I could.
You know, and then when you want to wear something different, you just cover them up. That way you permanently got socks on.
I might have thought about that.
But then that's irreversible. I mean, I guess it could be reversed, but still.
Nobody would ever see them. All you have to do is pull the sock.
Yeah.
Plus my shorts are so long. I mean, you ain't talking about maybe 12 inches right there that you actually see.
Yeah.
So, but it's time to get some new. These work boots are about.
Oh, you just broke them things in now. They just good and broke in.
I haven't really cared for them since I bought them. But since it was $180, I guess.
Yeah. Hey, Carter. Where you at? Well, let's talk about this new Christmas do you got going on here.
Christmas. Oh, I cut my own hair yesterday.
You cut your own
I
hair?
cut my own hair. I mean, I got little stragglers and stuff. But, you know.
Dang, that's pretty good. Hannah didn't do that.
I mean, she lined up my neck and my
Yeah.
ears, but if not, I cut my own hair.
Poppy dog. What y'all think about Tyler's? What y'all think about Carter's new hairdo? Y'all comment below. Check it out.
So, Josh said I look like a girl now.
Hey,
How does that even make sense?
I don't know, but it looks better than it did. Did you donate it to locks of hairs or locks, whatever it is?
No, see, when I was cutting it, I was kind of chopping it off, so I didn't have any long pieces.
Would you get the scissors out of the kitchen or something?
No, I used clippers, but I couldn't get it
Huh.
couldn't get long pieces. So,
But hey, Josh, we got somebody cut your hair over here.
yeah.
That's all right. I don't look like a 12-year-old girl.
See?
Oh, God, I like that's me. Hey, this is the season for giving. I mean, you can't be mean now.
I don't want nothing he's got to give.
Hey, all them pictures from a year ago, you look a lot younger. You didn't have that long mustache and all that.
I didn't.
You need to go get your hair cut and trim it up and shave up a little
I
bit.
did trim it. I don't eat my mustache when I eat food now. I used to, right in the corner of my mouth, every time I take a bite, it'd push my mustache into my mouth. I got tired of that.
That's why I got rid of mine. Yeah.
Speaking of eating,
Is it that time?
I am hungry.
Well, it's lunchtime. I guess we're gonna be heading out for eat lunch. Hey Josh, you done with that car yet? You had it for 15 minutes. I said he's had it for 15 minutes. He ain't done with it yet.
I mean, I know. Commercial break, they build that whole car.
Yeah.
That's only on TV.
Well,
That- that-
on TV.
You're on TV right now.
That don't really happen in real life, people.
1968 Dodge Charger, 440, automatic. Disc brake, front disc brake conversion, change plugs, wires, oil change, in and out. It's a really nice driving car. I'm not a big Mopar fan, but I drove this one and it is nice. I love the fuel cap on these. Listen, if she burns you, it's just a love kiss. That's all
I
you
don't
gotta
care
do.
if it burns me or not. I will
All
wear
right.
that burn.
This is Mrs. Professor T right here. Did you have a good Christmas?
We did.
What did you get for Christmas?
His love. Just kidding. No.
Oh my goodness. You got a jacket or something, didn't you?
I did. I got a LL Bean.
Yeah.
That I had been wanting.
Yeah.
I also ordered a hoodie from there this morning though.
Oh, because you got a gift card too, huh?
Yeah, but it was a little over the gift card.
Oh. Well, let's see what, let's get an update on this and what Tyler's tearing up or cleaning up. Here's your frame rail, folks. There's your new framework, folks.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna put this one in with fiberglass,
Yeah.
or you gonna do it right?
Panel bond. Need to see what Travis wants to do about the floor. If he wants to get a new section of that floor or not, because it's all rusted out up through here.
Yeah. But that's probably from being up north a lot of
Yeah.
years, New York area.
Mm-hmm.
And you see that other frameware over there all
Yep, it's just as bad.
cracked up too.
Yep. Pull that one off here shortly.
Should be better than new when we get done.
Oh yeah.
What you doing in there? Hanging parts?
What?
I'm gonna go try to crank stuff for the fire.
Oh, okay. Let's go check out the.
I think I gotta pull out the trailer first.
Let's check out this little Christmas present we got here. What we got here is a Yammer-Haul.
A Yammer
Oh,
Haul.
a Yammer-Haul.
A Yammer Haul.
Oh, yeah.
Haul the Yammers.
Were you surprised? I saw that video. I said, Taterhead ain't sick again. Ain't sick no more.
No.
Oh, yeah.
We got some.
I'll cover one for you. See if it'll start, and then you choke.
So Nate Dogg's on a cruise this week. He's able to get both the front and back door panels done on both sides. Carpet's all cut out but not laid in yet. Waiting for us to put the front and rear glass in so he can finish up on the headliner. And waiting for hood hinges and trunk hinges before he puts in the panel for the bottom of the trunk lid. And then he started working on the seat before he left. So that's an update on the 55 Chevy. Alright guys, just saw the Bronco come in, a little test drive. Let's go check it out and see how it's doing. The owner is anxious about getting this back, which I would be too. So we're trying our best to finish everything up and get it back to him. Hi, Professor T.
Hello.
Changing gears now?
down there trying to find what they done with the filler upper.
Are you still giddy?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm still getting about it.
So that's what we gotta do is get you some Mopars in here and make you, yeah,
Yep, I need more Mopars.
not Corvette.
Nope, no more Corvette.
That's what wet sanding does after you paint a car. Get your fingers raw.
No, it just gets her nice and flat. Gives you that mirror finish you're looking for. It's the people look at one that's just come out of the booth and like, oh wow, that is just gorgeous. And then they see this process and they're like, oh my god, it's a mirror. That's what it does. I don't have
Yep.
really any places you can see, but it's easy to tell. You got a nice flat block, wrap your paper around it real tight, and as you slide over it, if there's any texture in there, you see it, and you set it till the texture's gone. But then you're not done, because then you gotta look at it from the side. Side angle, make sure you got it nice and flat. It's a very important step.
Then you bust Carusi it,
You
don't you?
bust this. You put that little round thing on there and spin it. I don't
Make
know
it
what,
pretty.
yeah, I don't know what you call it. Then you put this
Spit
little,
shine.
yeah, you put this white stuff on the pad, and it like that, and then all of a sudden it's just like shiny. It's amazing. See.
Hey, he want to know if you take him up and do a barrel roll. Do a barrel roll? Why not?
No, it's not rated for aerobatic.
Well, you gonna get a stunt plane?
No.
One of them Red Bull planes? Good.
Travis, who's this young man we got here?
This guy right here is my brother, younger brother.
I'm his bigger brother though.
He's my bigger little brother.
Bigger little brother.
Makes me look like a runt.
Not much.
He's
All the way from Hawaii.
all the way. He knows how to hula.
I do. But
Take your shirt off and hula. No.
yeah, y'all gotta come to Hawaii.
You gotta come to Hawaii to see
You
that.
better do it quick though, right?
Maybe this summer, come back. Maybe next summer, I don't know.
Hopefully this summer.
I want to leave. People not from there don't understand that. They're like, why do you want to leave?
It sucks, don't it?
It's cool for like a year or two.
What are you doing up under the dash?
Unbolting everything.
Oh, your brake booster? Changing out the master cylinder. Josh has already done the disc brake conversion. Put the wheels back on it. Now we on to the motor. Do a little tune up on it. New plugs, wires, change the oil, and put the new master cylinder in. And then bleed the brakes, right?
Yeah.
And then test drive it, right?
Test drive.
How long you gonna test drive it? All day
A
long?
couple hours at least, yeah.
Got the inner fenders, as you saw. Raptor liner. A little bit working on the Trans Am nose. Hey, no, you need to go. You need to go do that to that young man right there. He's in the military. What you got staged up in here? Looks like we got the Scout windshield frame. Some other small pieces, inner fenders. Tyler getting ready to paint all those. Big block still in the back. Wet sanding the K5. What you doing? Putting hinges on?
Not ready to. Gotta undo Ty Yeller's tape job.
That boy can tape now. Should have got him to wrap all our Christmas presents for.
Right?
Probably still be trying to open them up.
Probably.
Put those on to be installing those on the truck. Hey, did you play Xbox last night?
Grayson did. I don't know how to work that.
You don't know how to work it? Does he get his friends on there
Yeah.
to play with?
Yeah, you gotta do those. But yeah, I know nothing about those.
How about Chuck?
He can't even work his phone right.
Yeah.